kengomanya senchera yobwekirana karango kwenyerona nabakogendera gotonyora sense mere ya Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital asense mo ya YouTube Ndizi TV News nabogo tweetwetera @Ndizi TV News boigo ase website yeto otonyora wetera www.ndizitv.or.ke erio togendere gusanga mankeri teriane Everline Osero tokubwatirana nere Joshua Auta kwene kyamuna wekeire asense mo yebimanyererio okwarigante yachaga korwa ase county ya Nyamira wase abaMCB county assembly ya Nyamira ritko lya rero baba bagutwara umusangerekano gusege ikaro aso wakachikura cyo kumurusia bisi OMOWAZIRI BWECHIBESA ase county yo ebilionkaga korengana n'abaMC abo onkaga nigaberega kubwatraniwa n'amamocho ao ayo arenge to gutaikirania obokoreri bwaye buyabuna ebwenerete ase abanainchi be county ya Nyamira amanke tigate unatwariganire no murikeito job manki
Aba MCA emerongo 33 ase emerongo 35 kurwa se county Nyamira mbaetia omoswada wo komorusia OMOWAZIRI otenenerete enibo ase county Nyamira emiri ongaga asege ikaro kiara uno morogeri we county Nyamira Enoch Okero.
There's the motion for removal by impeachment of Miss Emily Ongaga.
Omoswada oyunigore tono yotenenerete abake ase bunge ya Nyamira oyokoro kwa mindariet.
Yes. The county reserve committee member takes an arrest to herself, a few officers, and indeed to his the governor, thus leaving out a huge number of employees without payment of their legal and bona fide entitlements.
Gachama mocho abagakobekerwa nobo tumeki obobe bwabisi nokorusya chibesa chie county atabwati emeroberio.
Timelines. Key budget documents include the County Integrated Development Plan (CIDP) and the Annual Development Plan that should be submitted to the Assembly for approval by 1st September of each year of the year as provided in Section 126 of Public Finance Management Act 2012 to inform the budgetary allocation and its disbursement by the National Treasury in conjunction with the control of budget. Efforts have been made by the County Assembly to have the said document availed but in vain.
Aba MCA mbamugi kelia asokoirania magendere county Nyamira maega asengenche oboteneneri obobebwe wizara yenibo.
Nyamira, most of the staff to receive their pay in time, Mr. Speaker. CPA Emily Ongaga must go. For the people of Nyamira, contractors, to be very precise, Mr. Speaker, to be the constitutional mandate of legislation, oversight, and representation. Honorable Speaker, it is now
guardians, who are parents, who are sisters supporting their siblings. Mr. Speaker, were subjected to psychological torture. They were crying all over.
Bono ekigyatigaire no speaker korosia ekamati era chikomorekera amamocho ayo na kuirania aroboti ase bunge ase barachi korwa okonacha una nachigarobisi bose narusigwe.
Within 7 days, appoint a special committee comprising of a third of the members to investigate the matter. Pursuant to Standing Order 40, Section 3 of the County Government Act 2012, and shall, within 10 days, report to the Assembly.
Uruase County Nyamira, Ginko reporteria Ndizi TV, Job Maangi.
Miyamono job manki asoroboti ururekeranu korwase county ya Nyamira amate yo munyaroko yo mobwe myaka 15 nebere nigo yaganiro bwene kororokana magega yabo bisa korwase abisi yo mugambi bwensemo ya Nyamache komo itomwa munyaroko yo na kumutigera chingoma chintindi korengana ne amate yo nigo munyaroko yo abeteka goitwa chingaki arorokaneteka gokwana no musanyo yo abete bagosomanere ase yemo amanke nigo twarigane no muri keito Frida Kerubo.
OMOWOROKIGWA yomo bwikira sige 11 kurwa se sub county ya Nyamache nigagendete kurwanira OBOENE bwaye magayo yo goitwa nabantu ba nyumba 10 kolengana na Irene nigo bamunyorete no mumuro yomo chingaki ale kuirananka magayo yo gotumwa na nyina.
Mamangu alinituma credit nienda kununua kufika kwa barabara nikapatana na kijana mwingine. Nikamuulizia, utaweza nisaidia kamusi na paipu? Kabla hajanirudishia tukashikwa na community policy. Kidogo hivi bike ikatoka kutoka juu, tukapata ni chief, akaambia community policy kifunguo ndio hii, wachukue kwa ofisi yao.
Magega goikigwa abisi y'omugambi nigabeteka goitwa asa tigeretwe chingoma chintindi.
Wakaanza kunitandika, wakinulizia maswali. Wakanitandika hapa mapacha zangu, sina nguvu ya kutembea vizuri, hata siesikaa vizuri. Wakanigonga mkono, kifua, silali usiku.
Kwarengana na mumurumu abo chingaki anyorete oroboti uru nigaimugeti getambukiro na kumoira ase dispensary yeli yabe ase babortigwe kumoira enyagitari ngao kubwatikana ni chingoma abwate.
Yangu akaniambia huyu amesikia vibaya. Nikamuuliza walimuumiza vibaya. Sasa ndio niliona kesi iko serious. Tukampeleka hospitali dispensary hapo yao. Halafu tukaambiwa na sister huyo aese akatibiwa hapa ameumiswa vibaya. Tukarudi nyumbani. Tuliporudi nyumbani tukaambia mate atupatie pesa tuenda hospitali Nyamache. Tukapita kwa polisi, tukapewa opi. Tukaambiwa tuenda hospitali.
Omwegereri bw'obwene bw'omunyabantu Dr. Cephas Mayaka nigaburirie omowaziri bw'oburendi bwaime Kithure Kindiki kuringoria eng'aneyo.
Sasa ninauliza serikali ambaye yetu ya Kenya ambayo inaongozwa na Ministry of Interior, Professor Kindiki, hii mambo yaangalie ili ukaweze kuchua kwa nini acting chief anatoa ruhusa watu wanachapwa katika ofisi yake.
Tinga kecho boigo nigaburirie omowaziri w'echisemi Ezekiel Machogu koimukige tambukiro kebwenerete asaine kibunano nya n'omwarimu omonene bw'esukuru eyo taramanya ninki omworokigwa yatari gochira esukuru.
Na ndu wetu Machogu wa education, mtoto wako nje for 7 days, the principal achachua kwa nini mtoto achaingia.
Boigo nigo omwegereri Alfred Akama abagakoene kibuna nigo mugambi yasabite eyamate yogo tukutera arengane yo ase alieteira kumwakanira school fees. Kolende egento kyogo kumingeringa tanya goika ase enyagitari elinde koligereria naki omworokigwa yo agenderete.
Ile tu niliambiwa ni kwamba aliambia mama wa huyu mtoto ya kwamba achana na hiyo maneno, mimi nataka nimulipie, wacha nishughulike na huyo mtoto nimulipie fees, hiyo maneno ishe. Sasa yeye kama hachawahi chukua huyo mtoto shule mpaka hospitali achue vile alitandika, mtoto ashughulikiwe na huyu chief aeleze kama ofisi yake imekuwa Nyayo House benye watu walikuwa wanapelekwa wanafanyiwa torture.
Frida Kerubo, Ndizi TV.
Miamono Frida Kerubo ase oroboti oroikiranu wono nomogoko monene ase omworokigwa Sofia Busibori oyo bwate oborema magigayo gokonyeka erio kogendereria amasomaye aya magigaye getaseni kya Ndizi TV kumurekere bitango na baiga makongwari abereka wetera ayo amwirire tere kobera ISIKO atari gosoa ase eskuru ya secondary nabono nigo bokonyo bubwarure ase skuru ya St Mary's osabaga ko konywa na gosoa ase skuru ya St Mary's Genius eyo gotoka imeyo mucho nakuru muri keitonde mo Stephen no roboti urwaso bwikiranu
Oboro bwo mwana yo maitero moiboli na kurwaiga senseme ya Baracho Ward nigenke ya Sofia Busibori kiryo kabago ndege kwende skuru no moitoyo asebona basabira babwatere banyare gwesoke na kwene kibuna marora Sofia kunyara kobe lecturer ajaldirega goikirana goitera barabu gwesoki na gokonye nke ya tebra se kunyara kurende goikira boniga nigo ya ereiru na bamangana rengeigo wiki aeta se amate ya Sofia Busibori ensemo ya Baracho eyo konyoretara mosoya se skuru ya secondary asekerieta bwate bintu neni beganeiri komoire skuru
Bono nonye ndagira igombwata bokongu bokorigia ndagira ntachieti ekonda nyore nonye n'omoturiro oyamo nabera abetereri torare enchara ekere nsogete nari bakonyora ntasogeti mbabwati kende gionsi nonye.
Kusema ukweli, mama yangu ni mjane na amejaribu sana kupata kile kidogo anapata, anatulipia karo ya shule nikiwa primary, lakini kwa sasa hapa tumefika, tumeona huu mzigo unaenda kukaa mzito.
Magega y'omugano Sofia kumurekerwa na kubekwa sembeo nigabateneri besekeneri y'Abanyaroka ya St Mary's Genius Mission county ya Nakuru bakunetwe na komwari bagase skuru ewe wiki eye ase bamugorerete chianga chie skuru ebinto byobomenyo amo na komwakanire school fees ase skuru eyo kugendera chisemi chiaye.
She is a little girl who was brought in Ndizi TV the other day, and we give her a chance. Like she need to join our school so that she can realize her dream. Bosibori Okemwa is a daughter to Beatrice Mura Okemwa and the late Moses Okemwa Nyairo. We are grateful to have the girl in our school so that we give her a chance in her education.
Sofia Bosibori tabiseti OMOGOKO ye bwogoso ase skuru asarure ira yokobeko mokia.
Ninashukuru kwa watu wa Ndizi TV maana waliniweka media, na ninashukuru Mungu maana nilikuja shule inaitwa St Mary's Genius Mission Girls High School. Ni director wa hii shule Geoffrey ndiye alinielekeza hadi nikafika huku. Nashukuru pia maana amenipanga, nimevaa uniform, niko sawa. Nashukuru Mungu maana anaenda kunishikilia kwa masomo yangu, na ninaamini kuwa nitapita kwa mtihani wa kidato cha 4. Nashukuru, barikiwa watu wa Ndizi TV.
Our future leaders are here. You step in St Mary's, you step the bright future. Karibu sana Bosibori Sophie in St Mary's, and we wish you the very best in your endeavors for 4 years in St Mary's. Let us journey together for your brighter future.
Botambe nigo bagoteba buna omwana no bwekenyoro na Amayia ogende kuripoteria Ndizi TV eretariane Ndemo Steven.
Mbiamano morikyo itonde Stephen ase oroboti ororikiranu erio koine kiabuna oborendi boisaine bwabere bogotingirwa naboigo obwenki obotumeki nobonia bwamaru atancheri obeire gose abeire gakoera se county ya Kisii nigo abagambi naboiga abakonyi babo baboriwe koine kiabuna ngokora bare chibaraza ase keromotienyi ko erio gosemia abantu igoro yamabaya iga niga kwanwa samagacha ETC memochio Kisii achinga chiege ikaro ekyo kiara wano mu county commissioner we county ya Kisii Tom Wanjera muri keito Josephat Amisi na ikirana sayo na gutwaraganira roboti urwa senchera erenkeranu
bono nigo abagambi amana bakonyi babo boigo abadio baburi Banyarako bakobeka chibarasa iberekero mutenyi likoneke Banyarako bakwanira igoro ya marwa na boigo nyesore ekigendera ko bajikoni wa ase ebinyoro ayankolengana no county commissioner Tom Wanjera.
Na ile swala muhimu ambayo tumezungumzia ni mambo ya kuimarisha usalama katika county hii ya Kisii. Tumekubaliana kwamba naibu wa chief na chief lazima wafanye mikutano miwili ya usalama kila mwezi, na vile vile madio ambao ni ma-SCCs nao wafanye mikutano miwili kwa kila mwezi, na pia katika kile kiwango cha deputy county commissioner tumewahimiza vile vile wafanye mabaraza ili kuwafikia wananchi na kuwatahadharisha kuhusu mambo ya pombe haramu na madawa ya kulevya.
Omo County Commissioner Tom Wanjera nigaburirie aba deputy county commissioner banyarka bagukwanira amangana ria ringithe chindemero anene ase chinsemo elio koenekia bune bine bie chindemero byenyareka bigokeana anene imeorogongo rwa Gusii.
Swala la ardhi ambalo ni swala nyeti sana lizingatiwe katika hizo mikutano, na pia tumekubaliana kwamba ile mikutano ya Land Control Board ambayo iko katika kila sub county ifanywe tu na deputy county commissioner mwenyewe, asipeane hiyo nafasi kwa wale madio wa tarafa. Hii itatusaidia katika ile kupunguza visa vya ulalamikaji katika wananchi kuhusu mambo ya ardhi katika kaunti hii.
Igorechi buraburu cyanyarako byigokorekana omokibosongo ejimamusi anyarako bagegoita tomanjera nigatebire anyarako bagagucakyo botuki nase bwangoiga abakagero aho banyarako bakobeko byara ilikoneke buno morembe onyarako bokwirana anene bogatigati pomokibosongo.
Kamati ya usalama imezingatia hiyo kitendo kilichotokea Jumamosi hiyo, na kwa sasa sitataka kusema zaidi. Ile kitu mtaona ni vitendo. Tayari tumeshughulikia swala hilo kama kamati ya kaunti ya usalama. Masuala ya usalama huwezi kuyatatua na siku moja. Sisi tunajua kazi yetu, na zile vitengo ambazo zinahusika tayari ziko mashinani zinazingatia hilo swala, na mimi nimesema it's just a matter of time, we'll see the outcome.
Omo commissioner yo nigatebire county ya Kisii yanyereko bage koenekia buna abana banyereko bakorera chiskuru asomoro buli serikali yanene koenekia buna kira umwana bo Kenya onyereko bakonyera chisemi chiri chibwenerete.
Mambo ya mop up, we are doing well. So far we have 94% as a county, except for Marani sub-county, which has not done very well. And we have been able to come up with strategies to ensure that come next week we'll have been able to surpass the target.
Ekurate enene nguchia asaba gambia mana bakonyi babo boigo asaba borigwe banyarako bakwenekia oboni bwa marwa tancheiri na boigo tinya sole ase binyoro byabo byenyareko babiko era alimorioka na boigo uganirie abantu bose banyarako ko bakubwaterana amono boteneneri anene bwa serikali ase binyoro au.
Lazima mtawala wajibike. Kama tutapata bangi inauzwa katika maeneo yako ya kazi, utawajibika. If you are the assistant chief, you must take responsibility, and what will be asking us to do is to take you home. Yeah. On the same note, we have also galvanized the other security agencies to support the chiefs, so that it's not a department's concern.
Kuripotele kataseni Ndizi TV kure county ya Kisii Eritrande Josephat Amisi.
Mbiamono murikeito Josephat Amisi ase oroboti ororikiranu ekiombe ky'abanyagitari korwase ensemo ya United States ekyo kimanyikante na Ping Organization nigo bagendrete kwene kiango ikera bare abananchi erioko bawo bosemya nabayigokoringoria oburwaire bwa cancer yoroiboro gose cervical cancer itkoria rero nigo abanyagitari abo bayiro murobere yo ase ensemo yamagena eyo gotoka bo chiborabu imeye county ya Kisii ase basegetira abantu kwene kiangwe soke barasobongane n'abasibati eriyo konyora oburingoria bwa bosomurikeito Mildred Momanyi noroboti urasubwikiranu.
Oborwaire bwa kansa yoroiboro asaba subati negati ya marwaire aliatangaine asegati ya marwaire aliagoita asobwango gati ya basubati. Sekta yobo chenu bakobwaterana nekiombe gya Ping Organization korwa ase ensa ya America nigo barule oboringoria bwabo sago cyase abamenyi be wadi yabo chiborabu imeye bunge yabo machoge chache account ya Kisii.
So our screening today is very simple, it is painless, and it takes about 5 minutes. And it's very, very private, so you have your own personal tent, you do your screening, and then you will get texted your results. So it is extremely private and pain-free. And so next week when we begin our treatment process, all of the women who need to be treated will be treated for free. So cervical cancer is the #1 death for women in sub-Saharan Africa. So this is why we continue to focus on cervical cancer and for women particularly, because women in the community is the foundation. Without your mamas, what do you do?
Abanyagitari abayiga karabara kwegeri bara abanyagitari baito the nurses ngobe egeri bare na bara ubanyore amafundiso yoko bacheki na ende konyarekana na balire ko toriereira abanyagitari baito bakubwata okwegerigwo kubuya mono emashini bagotumia nigo baranyo tigere egere togendere ko batukonyetumia
omoroberio yo no chigokonya abamenyi bonsi korwa ase county ya Kisii ayongorengana no MCA bwensemeyo
tori oyo bwa abantu bamagena boka nigoro yo bwa abantu bonsi babo machoge na Kisii engima nonde bwensio orabo goeta aroro moroberio yogenderete osora igweri ogeriga achiche abe screened achekigu komanyanga oborwero bomborororo nandi nabuboro oborwere bono bwanyarekanira obonene bo goitabangina asichinga kiechiga chie century etore iga igetororo rituko ria lero rituko ria la Mr. 23 na 24 mambi no tokara na koruga igabone tokogenda nyamache onde bwensi orato kenga onyorire nabugate ebinyinyi bibia efilers yeiga ni gakogenda nyamache
Chinga kecho nigo abamenyi baborigwe wesokia sobonge eliokorengwa ase omoroberio yo
aseigo na abasabira abantu baminto mochiche mwensi asobonge na ende mochekigu na komenta nayo chinya gitari cheito tuachakire gochiagacha nto abasaja ni maete bayimurunganiri yake abundo oyo mo bana inche na bonta getendengwe kolende keregente gegocha this time keregente gegocha chinga kichiaye one ichi abasaja ntoje toboria abanyagitari abaiga baegere batonyorere program y'abasaja
ebiga nebirengereri byagati y'abasubati bali banyora oboringoria
elianga mbiyamo nase ngencho umunyagitari bayikirega iga asogocha gotutumia n'abangina tekwera niri mwesimi itunga mbiyamo no naende mbiyamo netari watia kerengo asengencho abangina bachandikire borwiro boboro bokongu yasawo ito bwanchire twanyodire chimashini gaiga
chinga kecho nigo abarai balia baikerana korwa ase chiwadi chinde batebire mbachikobwaterana elio korenta omoroberio buno yo ase chiwadi chonsi
abarai bonsi tigatubwaterane nitoramo no mushimi wa Doris Donya netoko motairende na charity yabwate na connection ichiga tigatubwaterane usine yemo
bono nigo yabeire omogoko monene asabangina besokiria sobonge kurugaiga ase ward ya bochiborabu ase bono bagokeire okorengwa gose okoringorigwa kwebinyinyi bya kansa asbo ase baligereti gochikoranga ngochikonyora bale OBOENE ase bali barachi gotoka babwate ebinyinyi ebyo atalia egataseni kya Ndizi TV kurugaiga ase ward ya bochiborabu eletaliane Mildred Momanyi
Muyamano murikaito Mildred Momanyi ase oroboti ururukiranu tugotikana nayo nigo muraibense Dr. William Samoei Ruto ritkorera raikara na ime county ya Kitui erio asenchira ya moyo kwigura enyagetari y'abanyanyimbo ya Kanyonyo ime county yo okwana chinga kiecho Ruto niga bakera abanyanyimbo mbiyamono ase mireme miya bagendera okora yo koene kia oburendi asaba Kenya askeria aliyeira une serikali ya Kenya kwanza nechikogendera kurugosira ase because
I was very pleasantly surprised when the DIG told me that the construction of this hospital was done by money collected on the welfare scheme of officers in the police force. I want to say to all the officers who contribute, I am told 50 shillings, and it is a confirmation of what 50 shillings can do. It is quite a learning curve that 50 shillings can build a 100 million shilling hospital. Nilikuwa nasikia watu wengine wakisema ya kwamba shilingi 500, 1000, 2000, 5000 inapatiana kwa hustler fund ni pesa kidogo. Mimi nataka sasa niwaulize kama wakipata nafasi wakuje hapa Kanyonyo waone hospitali ya shilingi milioni 100 imejengwa na shilingi 50. I think they might revise their thinking and they might know what it means to pull together. From time to time, police officers have had to endure the risk of fatal and sometimes life-threatening injury as well.
Asensemo ya y'omowaziri bw'oburendi bw'ime Kithure Kindiki oyo boigo ikirana asomo yego yoniga kangambia mono asomurai bwense Dr. William Samuel Ruto ase esiro yaberega korwayo kwene kiabuna sector y'oburendi yabeire kegokinwa Kithure boigo niga bakagoteba buna emirobero babegete nemiya yo kwene kiabuna oburendi bwabere bogotingirwa ase abakenya bonsi.
Sisi kama wizara ya usalama wa nchi na utawala wa taifa tuko na furaha kwa sababu umetupatia ile usaidizi na mwongozo ambao tumetafuta kwako kama kiongozi wa taifa letu, na tunakushukuru umepata muda kuja kuwa nasi hapa leo. Tunajua majukumu yako ni mengi na mahitaji ni mengi, idara nyingi na taasisi za taifa letu la Kenya zinakuhitaji. We thank you, Your Excellency, for gracing this occasion and for supporting us in the Ministry of Interior and National Administration as our President and Commander-in-Chief. Mheshimiwa Rais, kitu ya pili, hospitali ambayo umeifungua leo ni hospitali ambayo imejengwa kwa takriban shilingi milioni 100 ambayo ni mchango wa ile kiti ya maafisa wetu, welfare kiti ya maafisa wetu, and I really want to thank them for the contribution of this facility. Na vile vile serikali imetusaidia na equipment ya about 250 million ambayo umeona wewe mwenyewe. We still need a few more equipment, but we think we are almost there, and this hospital will go a long way in supporting our operations.
Omukonyi bw'omurai bwense Rigathi Gachagua nigagenderete kuba mochia bali bagukwana bobe igoro y'omurai bwense Dr. William Samuel Ruto okwana asomoyega bwa matanga sensemo ya Gatanga ime county ya Nyeri. Gachagua nigo aine kiabuna bake buna bali abarachikonyora amabaga bali boka babeire bakurwesiro ase oburai bwa Kenya Kwanza.
There is no way he can pick you as a minister in his government when previously you are saying he is useless and he doesn't know what he is doing. And you are saying bottom-up economic agenda is not possible. How can he pick people who are saying his programs cannot work to come and assist him? That is all. And I say those people who understand William Ruto, who believe in him, who agree with his policies, are the ones who voted for him. So before he can pick others, he'll pick those ones first. Haba. Na itakuwa namna hiyo na mtaona. Tunasema the president will pick to help him in the management of the affairs of those country are those who believe in him and his agenda and his policies so that they can add value to his governance. There is no way he can pick people who are against his policies because that will be self-defeatist. But we are saying development is for everybody. Everybody, the whole country, will serve everybody equally. But the people to assist the president to manage are those who have economic transformation agenda.
Ababewa ababere bo bosagani abo barenke gati yekyombe kyabeteke bosagana aba bisabo burendi bege kosi ya DSU asensemo ya Kainukime county ya Turkana aritko rya Jumatano eikeyega nigo babekire byara hayankorengana no regional commissioner worogongo rwa Rift Valley Dr. Abdi Hassan oyote iruna nigo bagenderete kokora obutwisaine koine kyabuna abali abakoro bosagani obo babere bakubekwa byara na koimokerwa egetambukiro.
The only incident that we had was yesterday in Kainuk, where bandits attempted to raid police and also attack members of KDF. And in the process, I think they met what they were looking for, and they were repulsed, and we also arrested 2 bandits. These bandits are already charged in court. And investigations are continuing. We also recovered 1 firearm. But in total, as we speak now, we have recovered a total of 23 firearms which were surrendered voluntarily.
Ekiombe getenerete ichiko imense ya Kenya Law Society of Kenya nigo be murunganeirio kuunereriwa kwa obobisa be kiombe kyo korwase serikali gukwana omorai be kiombe kyo Eric Theure nigo amoche mono ekiombe ge kiombe kyo korobutki bo busaria DCI nabo igo abobisa be gekosi kyo borendi ase okoegwa chingurugu cyo gotumeka bobe ase abisi yabo ayamagega ye kiombe ya DCI kumugania omowakili Danstan We urge
the executive wing, together with the police, to operate firmly within the four corners of the Constitution, to uphold the rule of law and to ensure that in the conduct of their duties, they are guided only by the considerations set out in the law and not to be guided by any other ulterior motives.
Abobisa korwase kiombe getenerete obochenu asensenkima World Health Organization nigo bakorire taro yabo imeyese moya Garissa eryo korigereria igoro yo gwatka kuburoire bwa kolera ase ensemeyo wekabono abantu wetani chirwibere nigo baenekiwe kwambukerwa oburoire obwo ase abobisa abo batebiruna nigo bagocho kubwaterana ne serikali ya county ya Garissa kwenekia bunango gorwanya bare oburoire obwo bwa kolera.
WHO supporting the response to that outbreak. So WHO has been on the ground from the very first days of that outbreak, working under the leadership of the county officials, working in collaboration with the county technical officers and other partners on the ground to oppose a very strong response to that cholera outbreak.
In Garissa County, we have had covered over 930,000 people who have been actually vaccinated, and that translates to nearly 98%, and that is incredible. And once again, I want to thank and appreciate all those who have taken a role in ensuring that we reach those targets and do that work, particularly in the face of the challenges that we've been having.
Wekaraiga mono mwancho muligereri nongo korera Amayia Chinsa Isato asenchera ereyo wekerano ekerango wakerangambia mono asokonyora chinga kiao eryo kuligereria Amayia yegataseni kya Ndizi TV na boigo emirobere yonsi bali wasto abato kubwaterana kwene kya ya wekera senchera yo wekerano na barabunigo nko bakerangambia mono nyora semirobere yonsi na bokogendera kuligereria Ndizi TV na bobwansu bwo Gusii bayo gotonyora sensemere ya Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital asensemo ya YouTube Ndizi TV News mutandao Twitter na bogo tweetwetera @Ndizi TV News boigo ase website ito nigora tonyoro wetera www.ndizitv.or.ke eryo togendre gosanga na boigo gokumanyia amanke eryo triane Everline Osero twabwatirana nere Joshua Auta kwenekia wekeira sensemo imanyerio na boigo Petronira Mukeira oyo nekia buna chibicha neryo gicha wekeire asenchira yabene twaro buligereri borobya na boigo obutko borobotoereru.